I came across an online platform called EarnGlobal. First, they give you $25 as a bonus if you join on that platform by using a link which I put on a description below. In EarnGlobal, you can earn money through different ways in EarnGlobal. First of all, you can earn money by sharing your link to your close friends. Second, you can earn money through surveys which are available in EarnGlobal platform. And lastly, you can earn money through different games which are available in EarnGlobal. For example, there's a game called Real Spin. So it is a good platform, and I suggest you go and find more about it through the link which is available in the description. Thank you.